Setting up windows for low vision users, a machine configured thoughtfully makes an enormous difference for someone with limited vision. Here's a complete setup, working through accessibility settings in order. Start with size. Increase text size, then increase overall display scaling, and set your mouse pointer to a large size in a bright color, which helps more than people assume. Turn on a thicker text cursor. Next, contrast. Contrast themes offer high contrast color schemes designed specifically for readability, and there are several to try, since preference varies considerably. Color filters help if color perception is the issue. Then magnifier, configured to the preferred view and set to start automatically at sign in if it's needed constantly. Turn on visual notifications so alerts flash rather than only sounding. Reduce animations, and consider narrator alongside, because many people use magnification and speech together rather than choosing one over the other.